There are moments in science when numbers stop being helpful. When figures grow so large that the mind simply refuses to follow. HOLM 15A is one of those moments. Somewhere far beyond the Milky Way, hidden inside a massive galaxy cluster, exists a gravitational entity so heavy that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, cannot escape its influence once it gets too close. This is not a story about destruction. This is a story about scale, about how the universe quietly builds objects that make our definitions feel small. Objects that don't explode, don't shine, and don't announce themselves, yet outweigh billions of stars combined. Today, we are not chasing spectacle. We are tracing gravity to its most extreme conclusion. HOLM 15A does not exist in isolation. It sits at the very center of the Abell 85 galaxy cluster, a colossal congregation of galaxies bound together by gravity for billions of years. This cluster is old, ancient, a fossil from an era when the universe was denser, hotter, and far more violent. Here, galaxies are not solitary islands. They are neighbors trapped in a slow, inevitable dance toward collision. Over time, galaxies drift inward, pulled toward the cluster's core. Smaller galaxies are stretched, distorted, and eventually absorbed by larger ones. This process is quiet, but relentless. HOLM 15A occupies the throne at the center of this cosmic kingdom. And at its heart lies the true ruler, an ultramassive black hole whose mass exceeds 40 billion suns. This is not coincidence. It is consequence. Calling HOLM 15A the heaviest black hole is technically accurate, but deeply misleading. Because weight, in this context, is not about heaviness. It is about gravitational authority. This black hole does not simply pull objects toward it. It dominates the motion of everything nearby. Stars orbit faster. Gas clouds stretch thinner. Even dark matter halos bend inward under its influence. If placed at the center of our Milky Way, HOLM 15A would radically reshape our galaxy. Stellar orbits would destabilize. Entire regions would become uninhabitable, not through destruction, but through gravitational chaos. Yet here, in Abell 85, HOLM 15A is perfectly at home, because this environment was built for monsters. Black holes are born small. Even the most massive stellar collapses produce black holes only a few dozen times heavier than our sun. HOLM 15A is not born. It is assembled. Its growth story is written in mergers. When galaxies collide, their central black holes sink toward each other, dragged by gravitational friction. Over millions of years, they spiral inward, releasing gravitational waves that ripple across space-time. Then silence. Two black holes become one. HOLM 15A is the result of countless such unions. Each merger added mass. Each collision deepened its gravitational well. Over billions of years, it became something rare, an ultramassive black hole, a class so extreme that only a handful are known to exist. This is not evolution. This is accumulation without restraint. The galaxy surrounding HOLM 15A tells a quiet but revealing story. Its stars are old, red, slowly dying. Star formation has almost completely stopped. The gas that once fueled stellar birth has been stripped away, either consumed by the black hole or expelled by gravitational interactions. This is what happens when gravity wins too completely. HOLM 15A did not just grow inside its galaxy. It reshaped it. The galaxy became smoother, rounder, and less dynamic over time. Structure gave way to stability. Chaos settled into permanence. What remains is a galactic shell, vast, heavy, and calm, built around a gravitational core that no longer needs to prove itself. Near a black hole this massive, time itself becomes unreliable. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity slows time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time flows. Near HOLM 15A, this effect is extreme. A clock closer to the black hole ticks slower than one farther away. If survival were possible near its event horizon, and it is not, An observer there would watch the universe age faster than they do. HOLM 15A does not just bend space. It regulates time. This is not science fiction. This is the universe behaving exactly as predicted, just at a scale few ever expected to witness. Despite its mass, HOLM 15A is not loud. It does not blaze as a quasar. It does not flood space with radiation. It is dormant. This black hole has already consumed the most accessible matter in its surroundings. There is little left to feed on. What remains drifts slowly, cautiously, far from the event horizon. HOLM 15A is not hunting. It is waiting. This silence makes it more unsettling, not less, because it reminds us that the universe's most powerful forces do not need to announce themselves. HOLM 15A exists because the universe allowed it to. Ultramassive black holes require exceptional conditions. Dense galaxy clusters, uninterrupted growth, and billions of years without catastrophic disruption. Most environments are too chaotic. Most galaxies are too small. Most black holes never get the chance. HOLM 15A is an outlier, a statistical anomaly formed at the extreme edge of cosmic possibility. It represents what happens when the universe stops enforcing moderation. HOLM 15A forces astronomers to confront uncomfortable questions. Is there an upper limit to black hole mass? Can gravity grow indefinitely? Were even larger black holes formed in the early universe? And have we simply not found them yet? Each answer leads to deeper uncertainty. HOLM 15A is not an endpoint. It is a signpost pointing toward physics we have not yet mastered. HOLM 15A does not threaten Earth. It does not influence our galaxy. It does not even know we exist. And yet it matters, because it shows us that the universe is capable of extremes far beyond human instinct. That reality is deeper, heavier, and more complex than our everyday experience suggests. In the presence of something that outweighs billions of stars, humanity is small. But curiosity is persistent. And as long as we continue to ask questions, even the heaviest black hole in the universe cannot remain entirely unknown.